I had an opportunity to have, some great mentors, and the most important thing is to be true to yourself and find what you're passionate about. And sometimes it's not always moving up, it's being open to look around you. And sometimes a lateral move gives you an opportunity to learn something completely new and bring value in a new area. So for me, again, it's really about being passionate about what you're working on every single day and owning it and doing your very best at everything that you do.
Having integrity is kind of the foundation of everything that you do. Being honest and building trust within the group and organization by which you work in, I think is really important. So that's kind of foundational. On top of that, I think it's really important to do what you say you're going to do and follow up on things. I think many times, some employees are big talkers and they talk a lot about different things, but nothing ever happens. So that execution piece, I think, is really, really important. And I think one of the things that I learned from one of my former bosses is to be a learner and continually be curious, continually ask questions, read up on your function, your area, be an expert in your area. And just continue that learning process will serve you well as you move forward in your career.